impacts of physical activity, particularly what it means for you guys. By the end of this lesson, we'll be able to identify strategies, health practices, and behaviours to encourage lifelong physical activity. Now, before we start, building upon what we've learnt in our past lessons, why is physical activity so important? What does it do for our body, our mind, and well-being? So here this introduces students to the topic, gauges student interest, and asks open-ended questions based on prior knowledge and experiences. Perfect. Just like we shared, physical activity is so important to keep you on track in navigating and creating healthy lifestyle choices to influence your future behaviours. Participating in physical activity daily is a major factor contributing to maintaining positive social, emotional, intellectual, and health benefits. Therefore, meeting these requirements is shown to also improve your attainment here at school. Now, can I have a quick show of hands how many of you have participated in physical activities for at least 60 minutes each day? Awesome. If we look at this from a holistic perspective, the Australian Institute of Health and Welfare shared that in 2017 to 2018, just over 1 in 10 adolescents were sufficiently active for their age. Now, what does this mean for us and our future? What positive actions contribute to health, safety, well-being, and participation of sustaining physical activity in the wider community? So here, following up with a quick survey to relate statistics to real-world relevance, developing cross-curriculum priorities with critical and creative thinking, understanding impacts and sustainability of future consequences. I'm going to share this video, and afterwards we're going to discuss the different strategies you yourself can implement into your everyday life. What do we think? Let's break up into groups of 4 and we can think, pair, share to discuss our thoughts. I want you to highlight the different strategies that encourage safety, health, and lifelong physical activity, and how this can influence physically active communities. After this, in your groups of 4, I'll give you 3 different websites, and I'd like you to collectively decide what website you would like to use, and from that create either a fact sheet, new rule or policy to discuss with the government, some interesting information, or something that really stuck with you. As a class, we will share this information on the classroom Padlet, go through and discuss our new findings. This provides students with options and different differentiation strategies to account for a variety of student learning needs, and provides options for student-centered learning within the classroom. Covering the APST outcomes 1 and 3, knowing students and how they learn, and plan for and implement effective teaching and learning. Continuing with open-ended questioning and a conclusive Padlet to formatively assess student understanding. Furthermore, the video Padlet and activity and class discussions provide visual, auditory, and kinesthetic learning styles to further enhance learning for all. Think, pair, share to support both collaborative and independent student-centered learning through gradual release of responsibility. Understanding statistics and research components also develops literacy, numeracy, critical and creative thinking, along with ICT capabilities.